Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Stuart transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. Today, we are going to discuss on subtopic of hotel projects, funding and financing. In this topic, we are going to talk about general structures to serve development funding. Now, what are the main reasons why the developer take the debt? We have discussed. Taking the debt is done. Now, how do we serve it? So there are two important factors. Whenever any loan is there or debt has been taken, even if the debt is taken, the equity portion is always there. So the first criteria of the borrower would be to ensure that the debt and equity is secure. He does this calculation, the debt portion and equity portion, he is aware that has to be secure. Point number one. Point number two, a developer or a owner will always look at stable returns. He will do his calculations and he will look at stable returns. However, the lender also will look at something stable wherein the borrower is in a position to serve the EMIs month on month. The working is done very conservatively from both the sides, from the developer side, so from the owner side, as well as the borrower side. So both of them does the calculation or do the calculation very conservatively and ensure the returns are coming. Now, when the owner, hotel owner, is getting into any kind of project, he should be willing to take that development risk. Usually, that is a primary thing. He has to take the risk, then only the things will work out and he will take the step further. It is also called the development risk and the startup risk. So that first step is very crucial. He has to take that first step. Lender will only lend you if he feels that the cash flow is looking healthy on the papers, in the conservative workings, on the say most unsecured position. They should be in a position to serve the EMIs. That's how the lender will do his calculation. So the whole idea is, if he's lending, he should feel internally that his money, whatever the borrowed funds are there, should be returned with the interest rate whatever has been agreed. Now, whenever the lender is lending to the borrower, he will first check who is the operator, who is going to operate the property. Because it's not necessary that a hotel owner understands hotel operations, hotel marketing, and hotel business. So he will check whether the profile of the owner is a hotel profile or not, whether he is in a position to do or not. Otherwise, it is mandatory that he has to sign a management contract or a franchise contract or some kind of an asset management contract, wherein an expert, a hotelier, a senior hotelier or a hotel brand is associated with him, then he gets that comfort level. It is also recommended that if don't go for a lease model. People say that lease model is secure, but I would suggest don't go for a lease model, go for a management contract model, because in the lease model, whoever comes, first and foremost, the known brands will never enter into a lease model. None of them. Okay. Who would come into a lease model? A typical non-hotelier could be a non-professional hotelier would enter into a lease model where he's not bothered about the brand, he's not bothered about service, he's not bothered about anything else except making money, and he will ensure that the property is completely ruined. So I would always suggest go for a management contract model. A right operator will be there, right brand will be there. The brand maintains the property. A hotel, senior hotelier, समझो, if he's operating, then automatically he takes care of the property. And property maintenance is very important. The rent you have taken, that would be used once the lessor or lessee goes out. Suppose if he has used the property and squeezed that property for 5 years and he has paid you the 5 years rent, at the end of the day you are going to spend so much of money, or maybe more. You will have to take another loan. So ensure that going for a management contract would be an ideal thing, because the management contract models are lengthy. The length of management contract is 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years or so. So I would like to wind up with this. I'm summing up with this. My videos are coming. Fantastic topics are coming. Please stay connected. If you like this video, say like by pressing the like button. Subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. You will get notifications. Stay tuned, stay connected. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.